This is a video on my Sequence Recipe Cloner plugin I've done for the MA. I'm going to talk you through it in this video, how it works and what you can expect result-wise to happen. So in this example, I'm going to use my source information as 1 and my destination as 6. And before I hit anything else, I'm just going to show you what I expect to see to happen. So in this sequence, we're going to do sequence 2. I'll put that in there actually. Sequence 2. And then we're going to expect to see anywhere it says group 1, we will then get a duplicate lines underneath and we will have group 6. And we expect all our matrix values to transfer across as well. So we'll expect to see a fade time here, nothing in this one, nothing here, and then some funky information here as well at the bottom we shall expect to see. So yeah, let's just hit clone and let's see what happens. There we go. We can see immediately we have group 6 appear underneath. Our selection mode's the same. Our matrix values are the same. We can see we've got a dimmer and our color. In the next queue, we have same again. This one here, this dimmer value contains the matrix. Nothing is transferred here. Nothing there. Nothing there. And then finally on this one, we have our funky stuff down here on group 6. It's super simple really and very quick. This is all, just a warning, this is all done outside of command line, so you cannot undo this information. So I highly recommend you save your show file first before doing anything too crazy. Just to show you, just to explain what these buttons do. So we have selected, so when in your MA file, you can have different sequences selected. That will only target the sequence you currently have selected. We have all, which will do any sequence. It will go through in your pool. And in other, you can just manually input whatever sequence number you want, 3 or 7. And it will target just that sequence. Hopefully that all makes sense. And I hope you enjoy the plugin. Thank you.